Good job, Evan. Good job, Alex. Oh! Shoot it right, Alex.
Watch. Yes. Let's throw it again.
Alex, you've got a higher shooting percentage than your older brother. Shoot it right. Push, don't throw. Let's raise it back up.
Yeah.
Okay, 6 feet. Here we go.
6 feet. It can be 6 feet.
Okay, here we go.
Watch. Top of this. Oh.
Evan, no. Go back on the ground. If Alex can do it, you can do it.
Yeah, I got it.
See?
Yeah.
Shoot it or push it, don't throw it.
Yes!
No, Alex. Shoot it right. You guys are being silly.
They both got it.
Alex, make sure and jump when you shoot. That was better. Good job, Evan. Way to go, Alex. Good job, Evan. Oh, Evan blocked your shot. Good job, Evan. You're doing better. Way to go. Yeah, Alex, way to go.
Yes!
3 and a 5-year-old. Sinking it. Look at that shot, Alex.
Yes!
Way to go. 6-foot rim. Yeah. Yeah. You guys aren't missing. Shoot it right. Yeah. Aww. Yeah. Shoot it right, Alex. You threw it. Make sure and push it. Don't throw it. Push it. No, push it. Don't throw it.
Hey, Dad. Alex should go to basketball. See, he can do hoops at the basketball player.
Yep.
He should. He's gonna his best score.
Shoot it right, Alex. Good job, Alex. Good job, Evan.
Yes. Now, no. I have to get it.
Yeah.
I moved on it.
Way to go. Way to go, Alex.
I caught my basketball.
Yep. Way to go, Alex.
And I made 2 shots. I was trying to get a drink. Oh.
Good job, Alex.
This is the Alex.
Oh, that was a lot of makes in a row.
Alex got a lot of snakes in the wall. Well, I need you.
Evan, who's better at basketball, you or Alex?
Alex. Because he can go to basketball.
Yeah.
Play basketball. He should. If I could play that high score too. If I could get Alex's high score. Really?
Are you guys done yet?
No.
No? But it's bedtime.
This heel was really going to hurt a lot. Oh! Shopping is cool. This is really giving me tired. Thirsty.
What was that, Alex? You're getting tired.
No, I'm not tired.
You're not tired? Well, then keep shooting.
I like this.
No, don't throw it like that. Shoot it right. Careful. Hey, guys. You're silly. Go back to making shots. What's so funny? Alex, no! Shoot it right. Shoot it right so you make it.
Oh, I moved.
Evan. You made it? Shoot it right.
I do this. I do this, Alex. Wow.
Okay, guys, are you ready yet?
No.
Ready for bed?
No.
No?
Just
Oh, almost, Alex. Shoot it right, Evan. Okay, you guys are getting silly.